Okay, now today we will discuss section formula. First of all, let us see what is a section formula, what you study in a 10th standard. Suppose point P, the coordinate of point P is say x1, y1, and coordinate of Q say that is x2, y2. Alright, then section formula according to 10th standard, that is mx2, alright, plus nx1 upon m plus n. This is the x coordinate of R, and similarly y coordinate, that is my2, alright, my2 upon ny1 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Alright, this is the section formula what you learn in a 10th standard. And here same thing, or we can say similar thing, we will discuss. What? Suppose vector a bar and O is a origin that you know very well. Suppose P and Q, they are any 2 point where R is dividing PQ from point P into m raised to n ratio. Then the section formula you have to remember is coordinate of R will be mb bar plus na bar upon m plus n. Alright, this is direct formula you have to remember. Uh, no need of any explanation because here they are not asking any theory, but from the diagram very easily you can understand how to obtain, not very difficult. Alright, you just observe that how it is given the ratio m upon n is equal ratio pm upon rp is equal to, it is given. So this ratio if you follow very easily you will able to obtain. Okay, alright, so or will be mb plus na upon m plus n. This formula you have to remember. Now if it is an external division, means R is outside. R may be on left hand side, it may be on right hand side, R may be here also sometime. In that case, here only small change is I will use minus sign. Like that we will see in the formula also. And if R is a midpoint, then it is very easy. A bar plus B bar by 2. Alright, coordinate of R bar P plus coordinate of Q bar divide by 2. You will get very easily. Okay, now let us apply this formula in a exercise 10.2. Okay. Find out position vector of R which divide the line segment joining point P and Q whose position vector are this one. Okay, so we have a position vector of P, that is I plus 2j minus k, and position vector of Q is minus I plus j plus k. Now point R is dividing in two ways, that is internally and externally, in 2:1 ratio. Now make it very easy. You can see or see how to do it. You just use that old diagram P, Q, point R over here. Alright, first of all, internal division into 2:1 ratio from point P. Coordinate is you just write down, that is 1, 2 and minus 1. 1, 2 and minus 1. Coordinate of P I am talking about. Then coordinate of Q is minus 1, 1, 1. Minus 1, 1 and 1. Alright, now how we are doing in a 10th standard, same pattern we will follow over here. Alright, it is look like a different pattern but actually it is same only. So formula is this mb bar plus na bar upon m plus n. So 2, alright, 2, 2 into this part, all right, and 1 into this part whole. Okay, so thing is 2 into whole ijk plus 1 into 2 1 plus 2i minus k upon 2 plus 1. So that is 3. Alright, and if you simplify, you will get 1 upon 3, 4 upon 3, 1 upon 3. Alright, so this is a simple one. Alright, and if you use that 10 standard direct formula, then also you will get the same answer. Say minus 2, comma, sorry, minus 2 plus 1. Alright, I am talking about first coordinate. Then comma, 2 ones are 2 plus 4, comma, alright, 2 ones are 2 plus it should be a 2, then comma, 2 into 1 is 2, then 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, upon 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is your answer. You can see if you use the 10th standard method, then also you will get. So it is very easy to understand, not very difficult. Okay, now in case it is an external division, all right, if it is an external division, then the thing is in between I will write down, or if you remember, you just make it a negative. All right, just write down negative. So negative sign, 2 minus 1 is 1, so no need. So you will get minus 3i plus 3k, all right, and j is 0 because 2 minus 2. Okay, so this is a external division. Find out position vector of midpoint. Midpoint is very easy. 2 plus 4 divided by 2, 3 plus 1 divided by 2, 4 minus 2 divided by 2. Alright, so addition divided by 2, ijk, simply you will get OR is equal to. Okay, so that vector ABC with position vector, this one A, B and C, form a vertices of right angle triangle. So here we will use a distance formula. All right, so here you can see I don't know which angle is a right angle. Suppose my right angle triangle is in this form, I don't know which one is correct. All right, okay, say ABC, I don't know which one is a right angle. Simply find out or magnitude of AB, magnitude of BC, magnitude of AC, and then check whether it is a AC square equal to AB square plus BC square or not. All right. So first position vector of A, B, C is available. So first of all, I will find out vector AB. All right, that is B bar minus A bar. So you know that how to find out B bar minus A bar, because A is the initial point, B is final point. So that is minus I, 3j and 5k. Similarly BC, then CA. Now find out magnitude of AB, that is 35. Find out magnitude of BC, that is 41. CA, that is 6. Alright, so BC is highest, so BC must be a hypotenuse. Alright, so here BC, so this is incorrect. My correct diagram will be this form. Alright, now so you can see now also it is taking correctly. So BC and this is your A. This is your 41 under root. This is your 6 under root. Alright, and finally this is your 36, means 6, or you can say 36 under root. Alright, addition is why it is a 6, 41 and 35, sorry, it is 35. It is 35 under root. So total is 41. Okay, so sums are very easy. Alright, now this true or false and MCQ I am leaving up to you.